And he fucking started filming by accident. It's fucking lit, you heard? What up? It's the Dreadlock Wonder. And Baby Galish. You heard?
With my vegan cookies.
And we back again.
Well, scone.
With a unboxing this week. And we got 2 videos today, so it's big lit. This package is from 4x1111. So it's 44444.
144 Magnolia Street.
I can't even show y'all, but I'll put the Instagram up. But nah, this t-shirt, bro, when I seen this t-shirt, fire, dope. So it says Cowboys versus Indians. Come on, have I showed you this? I bought it when you picked me up from work that day. Look, come on!
Sorry, you're fucking big ass.
What? How you blaming it on me? Look. Oh, this is good quality too.
You gonna wear it?
Yes, that's why.
We're
on our way to the airport right now. You heard? Cowboys versus Indians. But look, y'all ready? It says, always watch your back. Yo, all right. You ODing, bro. Always watch your back. But look, fucking bullet holes, bro. Bullet.
Suck your mama. Bullet.
In the front and the back. That shit is what sold me. Like, it's just way too fire. You feel me? But yeah, just a quick vid, 1 of 2 for Dreadlock Wonder Wednesdays and that.
Dreadlocks Wonder Wednesday.
And my leg is fucking soaking wet right now.
Cause you're
Nah, you think it's funny. It's funny to you? Nah, my leg's not really that wet.
Fucking
but
cry baby.
Anyway,
Didn't cry baby.
thank you for watching. Go subscribe to her channel. Are you posting this weekend? I'm gonna hold you accountable,
I'm
bro.
Vlog where we're gonna be.
Yeah, you heard. Stay tuned. You heard. That's a fact. But yeah, this is Baby Galish. This is the Dreadlock Wonder, aka.
Oh,
aka.
and I got a new card too.
Yeah, she's stunting, bro. That's a fact. Upgrades all
2020.
You heard. I'm the Dreadlock Wonder /A Elliot, and I'm out of here. Peace. Whoa. Bow. Woo. Whoa. It's a little too long, but that's my fault. You feel me? Man's got an XL, but I'm gonna do some cropping. Like, I like how the sleeves fit. I like how everything else fits. I'm gonna just crop it, like right here. Bring this shit up so it's like this, like nice and short. Like I want it to be like, when I go like this, my belly button show a little bit. Like, that's how short I be liking my shirts, you heard? But yeah.
Let me come over, I'ma slice you.